Good day sir, good day everyone. I'm Angel Didar. So today I will discuss the difference sa malainsi ug malaprohibita. When we say malainsi, we are talking about act nga wrong by their very nature. Meaning, bisan asa ka padulong sa kalibutan, people know nga daotan jud na siya. Dili ni sila kailangan og law para ingon nga sayop. Act like killing an innocent person, hurting someone intentionally, or stealing something belong to this category. So dili na kailangan i-explain. People naturally feel nga maligid na siya. So malainsi are act that are naturally and morally wrong. And because of that, kasagaran mas grabe ang penalty sa law. On the other hand, malaprohibita is the act that are considered wrong only because the law says so. So meaning walay moral evil dili inadautan by nature pero illegal siya kay gi-prohibit sa government. So for example, driving without a license, fishing without a permit, crossing the street outside the pedestrian lane, or not renewing business permits. So dili man kadautan nga tawo kung buhaton nimo ni, pero violation gihapon siya kay naa may balaod nga dapat sundon. The main purpose ani nga laws kay para organize society, ensure safety and maintain order. Mao na nga ang punishment sa malaprohibita kasagaran lighter compared sa malainsi. So to make it clear, ingani siya, if the act is wrong because it is naturally harmful or immoral, that is malainsi. And if the act is wrong only because this law says it's not allowed, that is malaprohibita. So simple example, kung mangawat ka, belong na siya sa malainsi, dautan ka, moral and legal. Pero kung mupark ka in a no parking area, malaprohibita na siya. Dili ka immoral pero nakalapas ka sa law. So understanding this difference is important kay it helps us know why some crimes are punished heavily while others are only punished lightly or administratively. It also helps us see how the law protects both moral values and public order. So again, malainsi is naturally wrong while malaprohibita is legally wrong. Both are important in keeping a community safe, peaceful, and organized. Thank you.